Hi Marvisa, welcome to your kitchen plan. I'm gonna show you cabinet by cabinet what we did here. And I do have the soffit in place to show you that this does affect the cabinet sizes. So I couldn't go more than 30 inches high on these wall cabinets because of this soffit. There will be some space between. As you can see, there's a little bit of a gap. And that's normal for the IKEA cabinets. They all have that space between the cabinet and the ceiling. I'm going to take this out of here just so we can look at all the cabinets a little easier. Okay, so here we are. Here is your kitchen. We'll start here with the micro pantry cabinet. There are two large drawers at the bottom. These are 15 inches deep, so you can put a lot in each drawer. They're 30 inches wide. And then the top has shelves, so you can adjust these shelves to wherever you'd like. Above the fridge, we have a cabinet that's 15 inches deep. It's not opening for me. There we go. So, not really enough room for a shelf, but you can put big, bulky items in there. This box here is to represent your pantry. So, I do think it would probably be best to not put any cabinets here on this wall, as we talked about, keeping the space open. But you can also maybe get some shallower shelves to keep your books and that kind of thing. Let's take a look. Before we get over to that side, let's take a look at the stove wall. So I put in one of our IKEA hoods. I like this style. It's kind of cool. You can hang things on the ends and put spices or whatever you want kind of up there. Gives you a little bit more storage. To the left of that, we have a 30-inch wide cabinet. And this just has adjustable shelves inside. And then next to that, we could fit an 18-inch cabinet. Below, we have the 24-inch wide drawers. I did small, medium, large, just because I think this is one of our most functional. It allows you to put all your little things up here, and then, bigger, and then much bigger, and the 15-inch wide, or deep. Oops. Get that back in there. Okay, and then we have your dishwasher, and then we did a 36-inch wide sink. And with everything you have under your sink, I didn't want to put any drawers because they really wouldn't work. So that's going to be like that. And then to the left, another 24-inch wide drawer set. So I kept with the same configuration as on the right side, small, medium, large. Above that on the wall, you've got your window here, so all I could fit was an 18-inch wide cabinet. But I think having a cabinet there is going to be nice because you can keep, your coffee storage and things like that up there. On the island, I ended up doing 2 cabinets. One is the 36-inch wide, so this is our widest cabinet, and it has the same small, medium, large. And to the left of that, I did a trash cabinet. So I like having a trash recycling cabinet somewhere in the kitchen, especially in a smaller kitchen, because it's hard to find floor space for a can. But if you'd like to take this out and put more drawers, we can do that also. So this is just for 2 bins. You can do a recycling and a trash bin in here. And then up above, it has this interior drawer, so you can put things like your trash bags, twisty ties, that kind of thing up in there. So with the 18 and the 36, I think it gives you a lot of floor space still around. We've got, 3 feet clearance on all sides, and then a little bit more in front of this window so you can have more traffic on this side. And let's take a look at your pantry. So I'm a little limited in what I can show in this program, so I couldn't show your banister behind here, but I was able to just do some cutouts by putting windows in place. And if we were to do this, we would need wall behind this pantry. So this is a 30-inch wide pantry, so we would need to have some solid wall to anchor to behind it. And then as far as the countertop to the left, I'm not sure because we don't do countertops. I don't know what the requirements are for giving adequate support for this, but there's probably going to need to be a wall behind it so that you can add support for this countertop piece. We typically add cleats for around the dishwasher to hold that countertop, so I imagine something similar would be needed over here. So it might not be a bad idea to make kind of a pony wall through here just to give you something to anchor this to. But again, check with your countertop supplier to find out what you need for that. And I modeled this with 15 inches deep, but you could go deeper if you'd like. So you have quite a bit of space in this little nook, which is nice. So looking at your pantry cabinet, this is my favorite model. Because you have higher ceilings on this side, I was able to take it up higher than the other side. So this is actually the 90-inch cabinet, and then it has the 5-inch toe kick. And when we open it, you can see you get 2 big drawers at the bottom. Show that again. 2 big drawers at the bottom. And then at the top, these 2 doors open and you get these 2 interior drawers that come out. And then above that, you get shelves. So you can put some shelves in here for other items. The drawers don't really work above a certain point because you can't see into them. So you can pretty much only go up to here with drawers and have it be efficient. So I think that covers everything. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be happy to show you some different drawer configurations, or even some, I just chose this yellow for the wall. I thought it looked nice with the Torham door style, but if you would like to see this in a different color, we can also do that for you. So I hope you enjoyed your tour, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.